The factory hums, a symphony of stainless steel and automation. Massive mixing tanks blend ingredients for a refreshing cola. Robotic arms dance, precisely managing the flow of liquids. Bottles are scrubbed clean, preparing for their fizzy cargo. High-speed fillers inject the cola, a blur of motion. Capping machines seal the bottles, ensuring freshness. Laser scanners inspect each bottle, guaranteeing quality. Conveyor belts surge, a river of cola flowing rapidly. Blue-white lights illuminate the spotless industrial space. Steam rises from the mixing vats, a testament to the process. Syrup blends, a sweet foundation for the iconic drink. Carbonation infuses the liquid, creating the signature fizz. Sugar and flavor tanks stand ready, adding the final touch. A chemical lab tests samples, ensuring consistent taste. Forklifts navigate the warehouse, moving crates of cola. Global distribution trucks await, ready to deliver. Workers in safety gear monitor the production line. The factory operates with clockwork precision. The boardroom buzzes with billion-dollar industry strategy. Executives discuss market trends and expansion plans. The camera glides smoothly, capturing every detail. The narration guides us through the cola-making journey. High-detail textures showcase the factory's cleanliness. Generic cola labels maintain a sense of anonymity. The environment is pristine, reflecting dedication to quality. Realistic sound ambiance fills the air, enhancing immersion. The factory is a marvel of modern engineering. Liquid mixing close-ups reveal the magic of the process. The syrup blending process is a carefully guarded secret. The carbonation process adds the signature fizz. The sugar and flavor tanks are essential to the recipe. Chemical lab testing ensure consistent quality. The warehouse stores vast quantities of finished product. Forklifts move crates with practiced efficiency. Distribution trucks stand ready to deliver globally. The factory is a testament to innovation and efficiency.